ya kugereka kabiru mutaratar wa githomo wa CBC na iria yamurirwo ni President William Ruto niguo kurira weeru mutaratar uyu wa CBC na kamitii ino ni andikithĩtie gĩkĩro gĩa githomo rungu rwa mutaratar uyu kinyihio makiuga ni undu uguteithĩrĩria na njĩra nene ikĩro cia githomo gukorwo ikiambatĩra wa kaunti ino.
2022.
I first take this opportunity to thank our government of Kenya through the Presidential Working Party education recommendation which they made. They are good, because if our learners can be able to continue being here, having a comprehensive school in one environment, it will be okay. What the government will do only is to improve in terms of infrastructure, so that you can be able to provide the best services. The reducing of subjects is another area which our learners welcome it, because they have been having so many subjects. New learning areas, about 16. When they choose, they are supposed to choose about as the proposal is. This one can be a lesser burden in carrying of materials, in overworking themselves. They can be able now to do well in their various pathways.
The CBC program that was introduced by the government, nimeona imeshika moto hapa vizuri sana. We've seen a number of talents from different students, and this shows that in the next 5 or 10 years there will be great improvement as far as talent ya watoto is concerned. We are happy with the areas that is now taking care of primaries, the schools being domiciled in primary. We are happy with that. And capitation is also good, but it ought to have reached another level, because from 2003 it has not been revised. So we are seeing that capitation, even though they talked about it well, will be given funding from ECD level to grade 8, grade 7, 8 and 9. But the amount of money put in place is not going to be enough because of the economic upsurge.
Tukitigana na icio ciĩgiĩ maine na mathomo ma CBC kuma kũrĩa mwena wa